Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to review another website, that is sms.com. So if you want to know about this website, watch the video till the end. We are going to share the review regarding sms.com. So by then we will be able to decide either this is a legit or a scam store. So let's begin with our video. No doubt in this competitive world, many new and unique websites are launched daily. So naturally this increases the competition and encourage people to opt for new and upgraded technology and cut stuff for the customer. As this website offers a collection of smart home equipment, computer, tablet, video game, toy, headphones, and vacuum. They also have blenders, oral care, retro games, printers, cameras, kitchen innovative equipment, and many more. So we can say that the website offers many things and everything at one stop for customer. So let's check out the specification of this website. It was registered on 11th June 2021. They have the like products with kitchen appliances, electronic item, and multiple other products. The email address which they have mentioned is matching the domain name, that is contact at sms.com. They have mentioned their contact number, but unfortunately they have not mentioned their physical address. No social media presence is available, as no doubt the brands has mentioned the social media logos, but they are not leading to any page but the social media site only. So let's check out the advantages of shopping this from this website. Is that they have vast range of smart home appliances. They deals in some of the essential kitchen products. They also offers many discounted on different products. The customer can connect the company for any difficulty or problem on contact details mentioned above. So they also accept the return of the product within 14 days. The products are made for all and are accessible to everyone because they are not costly. The disadvantages of buying from sms.com is that we were unable to find any reviews on internet on the website. Moreover, it is just 23 days old and has not gained much popularity among the customer. The shipping time is unexpectedly extended, and the website has skipped mentioning the company address for authenticity. The website has missed mentioning the delivery policy, like the charges for delivery in different region, and the trust index score and percentage of this website is also not good. So the question is still, as we are still interested to know about the website, either this is legit or a scam. So for this purpose we are going to check out some other details. Like, it was registered on 11th June 2021. It is just few days old website, and the website index rank is just 2.4 out of 100, which is very poor, and the trust index score is 1%, that is also bad. They have not mentioned their company address, and the content of the website seems to be suspicious and copied from any other website, and that is also suspicious website. And the brand does not have any social media presence. No review could be found on any feedback portal. So we can say that the website don't have any review section, and also it is just launched. It has not gained any popularity among the customers, hence we could not find any customer review on internet for sms.com. So we can say that no doubt it is a website that deals with different products that are needed in a household on daily basis, and the website was launched recently and thus has not gained many customer and audience. The information which we have discussed, we can say that the website is questionable and we are making it as suspicious, and we advise you to wait for some reliable reviews to arise and don't go for shopping at this time. Wait for some time, and when you got some genuine review regarding this website, so then you can make your wise decision for shopping from the store or save your money and yourself from getting scammed.